In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to make your Notion dashboard look super aesthetic and personalized. First, open Notion.so in your browser and log in. On the left sidebar, click your existing dashboard page. If you don't have one yet, create a fresh canvas by selecting New Page. This gives you a clean starting point and keeps everything organized from the beginning. Click the title at the top and rename it to something that matches your vibe or purpose, like Home, Control Center, or Daily Hub. Clear naming helps you find things quickly and sets the tone for your design. Let's add personality. Click Add Icon at the top. You can pick an emoji for a playful look or upload your own image for a more branded feel. Next, click Add Cover to give your page a banner. Choose a default image or upload one that matches your color palette. A cohesive icon and cover make the whole page feel intentional. Now structure your content with headings. Type /heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3 to create a clean hierarchy. For example, you might have a main section for today, a secondary section for projects, and smaller headings for resources or notes. Use dividers by typing /divider to separate sections and add breathing room. For extra visual flair, sprinkle in emoji or small images in your headings or lists. A few well-placed icons can make scanning your dashboard faster and more fun. To create columns, drag a block next to another block until you see a blue line, then drop it. Columns are perfect for placing related items side by side, like a to-do list next to a calendar or a quick notes box next to links. Highlight key information with callout blocks by typing /callout. Add an icon to the callout to make important reminders or tips stand out immediately. Refine your text with formatting. Use CMD or Ctrl+B for bold, CMD or Ctrl+I for italics, and type /color to change text or background colors. Stick to a simple palette to keep things clean and consistent. If you want interactive style, use /embed to add widgets like calendars, clocks, or habit trackers. They're optional, but they can make your dashboard both beautiful and functional. When you're done, take a moment to adjust colors, spacing, and icons until everything feels balanced and easy on the eyes. Consistency is what makes your dashboard look polished. Your Notion dashboard is now beautiful and functional. Play around with styles and subscribe for more creative tutorials.